On today's episode of WTF, what do we find in cars? Look at this. Hey guys, welcome back. Let's check out a really special 2000 Z3 M Roadster. This guy only has 54,000 miles, a handful of previous owners, clean Carfax report, and is on consignment here from its local owner in Princeton. A full binder comes with the car, documenting close to $20,000 worth of recent maintenance performed by the current owner, including a subframe reinforcement kit. Estoril Blue on blue, it doesn't get any better than this. Check it out. So if you guys remember, a couple weeks ago, we looked at my personal E46 wagon, and we are now officially starting this week. Sean, our master tech, is going to go through and complete the swap. So we're doing a full S54 E46 M3 drivetrain swap into the 2002 Touring. The Touring is a rear-wheel drive sport pack, manual seat, 115,000 mile, clean title, clean chassis. And anyhow, we got a collection of parts here that I brought from home. There's even more on the desk and more in the garage, but what we got here is a couple knuckles from the E46 M3 chassis, a set of Super Sprint stepped headers, a brand new set of Bilstein PSS10 fully adjustable coilover setup, a custom exhaust made for the swap to go into a Touring from Stromung, a bunch of other small Vanos parts, a lot of goodies from Bimmer World, including a brand new radiator, oil cooler. Of course, you have the drive shaft out of an E46 M3. The rear diff is here because we're going to be working on that while it's out. Some rear axles, a Euro cat setup, and yeah, big three will be completed on this guy. So full rod bearing replacement, full Vanos overhaul. Subframe is of course reinforced, and yeah. So hopefully by the end of the week, you guys will be seeing a completed M3 swap wagon. Stay tuned, man. This is going to be a fun one. All right, so this E46 M3, it's a 2003 with 86,000 miles. Anyway, Sean is wrapping up part of the deal. The customer, before he picks it up, is having us do the rod bearing replacement and the subframe reinforcement. Before we listed it for sale, we did a full Vanos overhaul. Sean did, not me. A full Vanos overhaul, bees on goodies, all that good stuff. So the only two remaining things were the subframe and the bearings, and those are now done. The subframe is completed. Sean's got it back up. We're gonna get this guy in alignment, do a couple shakedown drives. Sean's doing a good old brake flush over there. I wish I wasn't so tall. And yeah, let's check out the bearings. Come over here, come. So these are the connecting rod bearings that Sean pulled out of the car. As you can see, they are starting to show some copper. So yeah, these are the bearings we took out of the car. Brand new VAC coated bearings went in, along with a nice set of ARP bolts. Just doing some preventative maintenance. What you think, Sean?
Ready for some donuts.
Ready for some donuts. This guy is going to be headed out to Massachusetts this week. Probably going to be leaving the same day as the Alpine white car. And over here, we got the nice highway cruiser. This is a customer of ours with a M5. Going to be doing a basic service on it. Sean's going to be putting new injectors in. And it is, yeah, this thing is an absolute monster. Check out the interior. It's really gorgeous. Really subtle color combo. It's a wolf in sheep's clothing. That's how M5 should be. Do you guys like this one? Comment if you like it. On today's episode of WTF, what do we find in cars? Look at this.
Quite interesting.
If you know anybody that owns a 328 and a potential murder suspect, that's the weapon.
This is it.
What do you think it was for, Dave?
That's what you call an assault tire iron.
Sean, is this one of your toys you played with as a kid?
Oh man, this could be dangerous.
Thanks again for checking out one of our videos. Here at Atlas Motor Company, our BMW inventory gets refreshed every single week. We're gonna have fresh new content for you on a weekly basis. If you like what you guys saw, please like, subscribe, hit that notification button so you get alerts, and we'll see you next time.